Hello, hello. My name is John, and today I'm going to be showing you how to listen to PDFs, and you'll know what I mean by listen to PDFs by the end of this. So, I'm going to be blurring out any private information such as names and emails, just for privacy. So, let's go to this new tab, open a new tab in Chrome, and you can paste this link in, or you can just click on the link in the description. I'll have it linked down below, and when you press enter, you'll see this, and you're going to see Text Help PDF Reader. And I have it already here, but I'm just going to remove it to show you. So this is what it looks like when you're new, and you want to click Add to Chrome, and you want to click Add Extension. After you have clicked Add Extension, you'll wait for a few seconds, and this will pop up. You can close this with an X up here, and you can close both of these tabs actually. So you might know up here, this is where your extensions are. So you might not see that PDF reader extension. So what you're going to want to click is this extensions button, which is a puzzle piece. And when you click that, you're going to want to scroll down and click Text Help PDF Reader. And right next to it, you're going to see this gray pin. And if you click on that gray pin, you're going to pin it up here. So now you can see it's right here, Text Help PDF Reader. So next, your teacher should share with you, or if anyone else that you're wanting to read a PDF for or something, you want to click on the PDF like this, and the PDF will look like this. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to click Open With, and when you click Open With, you're going to see Read and Write for Google Chrome. And you want to click Read and Write for Google Chrome. And after you click that, you'll wait for a second, and it'll load up your Text Help PDF Reader. And wait for a few seconds for it to load. And it might take a few extra seconds to load, especially since you need to make sure that you have access to this file. But after that, you'll be able to see this place. So you can, first of all, let me show you the tools. You have dictionary, which you can look at like a dictionary. So let's go in like here, shopping. And it has little examples and things for dictionary. Next, you have picture dictionary, which is like images. And after that, you have play. And what play does is it lets you listen to things. So if you have nothing selected at all, I'm actually going to turn down this sound, so I'm going to mute this. Wait, no, I'm just going to turn it down very much, and let me turn down my audio actually too, so I don't break my ears like that much. You're going to click play, and so as you can see, it will just auto read in order. And another thing you could do is if you didn't want to read everything, you could just select highlight over by holding down click and highlight over a specific text point and then click play. And just like that, you're going to be able to, I'm not sure if you can hear this right now. I hope you can, but I'm not sure if you can. But you will hear the sound and the audio playing. And the next tool after that, you have pause and stop. So if you choose a specific part, start playing it, and then you want to pause it, it'll pause on the word so you can keep reading in a little bit. And then stop will actually just unhighlight everything. After that, you have screenshot reader, translator, which switches them to a different language. And then you have this button, which I don't have the correct access to do because I'm not allowed to edit this PDF. But if you are allowed to edit the PDF, you'll have a button here. And when you click on it, so what you're going to first want to do is you're going to hover over some text and then click on that button, and you can choose a color to highlight it in. So even when you deselect it with your mouse, it'll still be there, like highlighted. Next, after that, we have vocabulary, and then we have screen mask, and then we have text box, free hand drawing, shapes drawing, and I'm not sure what that does. But we have tools to edit them, and they're grayed out if you are not allowed to edit it. So I hope this tutorial has helped you, and I hope you can use this extension now. And, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye!